Discover Microsoft Copilot, the biggest productivity upgrade in Microsoft 365 that can cut your workload in half with no tech skills needed. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant built into apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Work smarter using simple natural language prompts to write, analyze, design, and communicate smoothly. Here's what Copilot helps you do. Write polished documents from notes using Word. Analyze and visualize data with Excel. Auto-create presentations in PowerPoint. Think of Copilot as ChatGPT trained on your work data. It understands natural language and helps you write, analyze, design, and communicate by using simple prompts. In Word, turn rough notes into polished proposals or resumes that impress your stakeholders. In Excel, ask questions like what are Q2 trends and watch Copilot build charts and explain insights instantly. In PowerPoint, automatically create slide decks with custom text and images tailored to your topic. In Outlook, summarize long email chains and draft responses in your unique voice to save time. In Teams, get meeting highlights and action items without needing to attend every call. Smart prompts for better results. Summarize this 4-page document in 3 bullet points. Rewrite this to sound persuasive for executives. Draft a follow-up email after this meeting. Tasks Copilot automates. Generate meeting notes from Teams. Create reports from raw Excel data. Rewrite job descriptions in HR tone. Top tips for success. Number 1. Always give context about purpose or audience. Number 2. Break tasks into steps for revising or expanding. Number 3. Review and edit Copilot's output for tone and accuracy. No matter your role, student, manager, or freelancer, Copilot adapts to your workflow if you use Word, Excel, or Outlook daily. Microsoft is expanding Copilot to OneNote, Planner, and even Windows itself, making it smarter the more you use it. Master Microsoft Copilot. Copilot is more than a feature, it's a revolutionary shift in work. Start small, experiment with prompts, and boost your productivity today. Ready to transform your workflow with Microsoft Copilot? Start using it today and experience the future of productivity.